Welcome to Gaming Fin, welcome to a new video here on my channel. So today we talk about the Italian gaming publisher Digital Bros, guys. And this stock, I'm going to show it to you on TradingView, was going down on Friday, 9.18%. So this could be related maybe to the overall market situation that we have with the SVB bank. And I'm recording this on Sunday, so tomorrow on Monday when the markets are opening again. So we don't know if it's going to be a huge crash, but we just put this now aside. So we are just covering the stock in itself. So guys, in this video now I'm going to have a look at the chart, then at some basic fundamental values, and we're also going to look at some games, the outlook of the games, and we're going to check out here it is, the Digital Bros press release on their half-year financial report at 31st of December it was. So it's going to be interesting, guys, so I promise you. So let's head back to the chart. Back to the chart. So yeah, first maybe the TradingView chart. So the TradingView chart, you see I was drawing some Fibonacci retracements. So and with regard to the Fibonacci retracements, we all see that we are still a little bit overvalued. And if we look here at the now don't find now the PE ratio, but from mere chart, so it looks like we at the upper end, and now we broke through the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. Also, if I would put this trend line here in, where we were trading for a long time or during the whole pandemic above it, and now we broke through. And guys, I am assuming, and I'm honestly assuming, this could go a little bit more down. So why I'm saying this, so from a mere chart perspective, but that's just my opinion. So as always, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm a YouTuber and retail investor. This is for information and entertainment purposes only. So don't start shorting now and thinking that the stock goes down even more. So it can also go up again, of course, so, and then you lose all your money. So also a little disclaimer with a tiny little amount. I bought some stock of Digital Bros already some month ago. I made a video about this, and so I'm invested in Digital Bros. Do I plan to buy some more? Yes, I'm going to plan to buy some more, but not at this value. So for me, it has to at least go down now. So 15 euros, only at around 15 euros, 13 euros, it's where I would plan to buy some more, because now I'm already 25 or 20%, I think it was. I'm already in the negative, so 25%. So I'm down. So therefore, I would wait until we go back to the 13, 14, maximum 15 euros, because then we are a little bit at those trend lines, a little bit at those Fibonacci retracements. So if we now go on Google Finance, we always kind of look a little bit farther in the past. So there you see it's actually quite an old company. In 2000 it went public and started at 21 euros. So that's very funny actually to see. I guess it went public then in the dot-com bubble, and then for the major part of the dot-com bubble the stock performed terrible, and it was a penny stock, very much a penny stock then in 2013, and then 2013 it started, so 1,565% since then up, and you were in the top of the recent bubble, pandemic bubble. You would have made over 3,000%. This is simply crazy. So if you also look here at some of the numbers, you see we have a market cap of, or let's say 290 million. Then we have a PE ratio of 10. So as I said, that's a little bit lower, and a dividend yield of 0.9%, my friends. So Italian video game company develops, blah, blah, blah. So they acquired, yeah, it's a 505 game subsidiary, you know the best. So 393 people, employees. So with regard to those Japanese companies I talked about, it's a small company, so 1989. So let's go also very quickly to 505 games. So this is like the master, developer part of Digital Bros. So if you're interested a little bit more about the company, some details of the company, then please check out also my other videos. But you see Death Stranding, Director's Cut, or Death Stranding General is made by them. Assetto Corsa Competizione is made by them, and then also a bunch of other games. So Journey to the Savage Planet, Ghost Runner, Control, of course. And then Underworld, this was actually a flop. Virginia, that's a really good game. Apsu was a great game. Adrift, also a great game. So I and Brothers also. So I think they have kind of some very, very good games that I like a lot. But of course, like every publisher or developer, they have also some games that are not so interesting. So also a new game coming out is called Miasma Chronicles. So this game comes out now in 2023. We have only 5,762 followers yet, so that's but it's okay. I mean, it's a small penny stock. It's a small micro cap company, of course. Therefore, the followers are mostly a little bit lower. And then something I definitely have to mention here. So we can check out this trailer. Is a game that's called Crime Boss Rockay City, and this is going to be their big release for 2023. It's going to be a bit like Payday, as I understood, and actually also not very expensive, for 32 euros on the Epic Game Store, and it's going to be Epic Game Store exclusive at least until June 24. They write in their numbers, so June 24. So that's also important to mention. And it's coming now out the 28th of March 23, and then probably a little bit later down the road also then on the consoles, but it's not coming on Steam immediately, and that's I think it's very sad, and I don't like it, to be honest. As an investor of this company, I don't like it. I would urge the publisher, I would urge the company managers, the people that take the decisions in the company to think about to also bring always all the games to Steam. So, but of course we can assume, we don't know. Probably they paid a lot of money. So Epic Games probably paid a lot of money to have this game now on Epic Game Store exclusivity. So, but it looks actually really, really good. So that's it, guys. So then I would say here you can find some basic data information on Digital Bros. Here's the main page. You see also where they have, for example, some developer studios. That's very cool. So I like this, and then we can jump directly to the numbers. So guys, and if you're not interested in numbers in this, all those details, then of course I thank you already for watching this video. So also check out my other videos. So always try to follow a certain scheme here. So Digital Pro. So here we have the 22-23 half year results. Revenue at 8.1% year on year up, 59.8. EBITDA at euro 18.6 million, 31% of net revenue. EBIT at euro 11.4 million, net profit of euro 11 million, net financial position negative for euro 19.5 million, so that's negative. Revenue expected to increase in the next 2 fiscal years, so that's an important message. Newly acquired 505 Go Inc. revenue of euro 9.4 million in the period. And then we have profit before tax 15.2 million compared to 14.7 million on December. So it's a little bit less now. No, it's a bit more. It's 500,000 euros more. Net profit of euro 11 million compared to 10.4 million on December the last year. So in relation to significant investments plan as expected, the net financial position was negative for 19.5 million, so negative for 13.4 million net IFRS 16 adjustment. So I'm not a tax accountant, so don't ask me for clear definitions of those accounting standards. Revenue expected to increase in the current fiscal year and in the next 2 fiscal years as a result of 80 million planned investment in the current fiscal year. So first half year results, and here we have the comparison. So net revenue is up, gross operating margin is down, almost 6% operating margin is down, 7% profit loss before taxes, 2.9% up. The profit, that's good. Net profit 5.7% up. So, and then the results per operating segment. And here we see that also they made actually a lot of money with some backlog games like Assetto Corsa, the racing game. So I have it also on Steam. I never really played it a lot. It's a bit too realistic for me, but I know people that like realistic racing games, they enjoy this game. And then of course they have they put a lot of how you say, expectations and hopes into Crime Boss, Epic Store exclusive until June 2024, and I think that's a bad decision. So therefore, to be honest, guys, for this reason alone, I expect the stock to fall some more. I cannot say this with a certainty, of course, but with the overall market situation we have at the moment, we definitely see the orange. Not definitely, we see the orange. We could see the orange Fibonacci retracement. If you make on YouTube a video, you always have to make sure that you are not saying anything with being too specific to definitely. But I expect the stock to fall more. But guys, you make your own research, you lose your own money. So business outlook. As we said, they have a business outlook where they expect it that they're going to earn some more. And I think, and this is also, if I can mention this here, I really don't like, actually, guys, how they made their financial report. They should make a nice presentation. I mean, if you have a market cap over 280 million, you should be able to make a much better presentation like this. So premium games are minus 7.9%. Free-to-play games are slightly up. So yeah, I mean, it's not really palpable. Italian distribution, I mean, that's so funny. Since they're an Italian company, they have to also give some information about the Italian distributions of the game. So I'm leaving all these information to you. So, but I personally, I'm not so happy at the moment with the numbers. I have to admit this also. If I go back here and look at the annual numbers from 2018, yes, I see that the net income went up. Control, Death Stranding, maybe also Ghost Runner, all those games perform probably decently. But here, since 2021, like other European gaming companies, of course, the revenue went down and the net income went down as well. So 11.36% here. Operating expenses, then also net income 10.86%. And then earnings per share almost 20%, EBITDA down. So, and also if we look at the cash flow, oh my god, so this is terrible. The cash flow is terrible, but this is related to different acquisitions. So cash from operations, from investing, from financing. So net change in cash flow. Yeah, that doesn't. So effective tax rate 28%, 28.65% to be precise. So this is also something I don't like so much. So, but balance sheet, cash and short-term investments, total assets are up. So that's maybe good to see. Total liabilities, we are more or less the same, but the assets go up. That's already good. Guys, I would say if you enjoyed this video, comment, like, and subscribe. So I'm always happy for some new viewers. And if you like to see more videos like this, then please check out the other videos here on my channel. So thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.